Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to turn off always on display on iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap Display and Brightness. Again, scroll down and tap Always on Display. Simply turn off the button beside Always on Display. When Always on Display is off, your screen will turn off when iPhone is locked. That's it. Go back to Settings and close Settings app. Now your iPhone screen will turn off when you lock your device or leave it idle. So these are the steps to turn off always on display on iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.